Hi you guys, it's Jennifer. Welcome back to Busy Being Jen. I am here today with my FabFitFun box for fall. As you guys know, FabFitFun is my favorite subscription box. I have been getting this box for 6 years. Yeah, I love it. It's kind of changed a lot over time. Used to get 8 different items in the box. Now it's 6, but they're more expensive items. It used to be that a lot of the items were surprises, and now you get to choose everything, or you can actually say surprise me, but you could have it be all surprises, but you also can choose every single item in your box, which is what I've done to make sure that I get what I want. If you're interested in checking out FabFitFun or subscribing to it, I do have a discount link in the space below, so you can check that out in the description box. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside the box. Now, the value of my box is, it said this after I made all of my choices about a little over a month ago, is over $350. And what you pay is $50. Now, if you pay for the year, it's $50 per box. And then if you pay for the year in advance, you get a $25 discount for the year. So with tax, I think it's like $178 I pay for the whole year. And then I get 4 boxes each. If I hadn't paid it in advance, they would each be $50. So it's less than that. And then the value, I think the value they say is a minimum of $200 per box. And because of the choices I made, this time my box is worth over $350. So, okay, I'm going to reach in here to the bottom to get one that I was really excited about. This one is a hat. I have no idea what this is going to be like. This is, does it say who it's by? It's ASN. And it's a like foldable. You can pack this away and take this with you in your luggage. But anyway, so there's this, isn't it cute? It's kind of a felt sort of a thing. And let's see how it looks. It looks a little crinkled right now. So yeah, it is a little crinkled. I'm gonna have to try to straighten it out. But it's, it's all kind of funny. You can lay a hat on a tabletop, like a surface, and then set some heavy things around on the brim to kind of flatten it out. But maybe this is supposed to be all kind of, like a sun hat sort of a thing, except for that it's not terribly lightweight because it's made of felt, a felt-like material. But I think it's cute. This was one of the things I was really excited about. So I'll have to play with the brim on it. But it is nice that, I guess it's nice that you can fold it up and take it with you, but then you'd have to mess with the shape of it, anytime you folded it back up again. But I am definitely excited about this hat. So, okay, let's go on to the next thing. This one is, I believe this is a body polish, green tea and aloe natural body polish. And this is just something that you can use on your face or your body, and just use it in the shower and it smooths out your skin. And so this one is by the Lifestyle Company, and I'm excited to try this, but let me smell it. It's a little bit more flowery than I typically like, but it's a real fine grit. I just got some on my fingers there. A real fine grit, so that should be nice for exfoliation. But yeah, I'm not going to use this on my face. I have, an exfoliator that I use on my face, but I will definitely use this on my body. But like I said, I would say the only thing that I'm not loving about this right at this moment is that the scent is more floral than I like. Kind of smells like sweet peas, that flower, sweet pea. So, okay, the next thing I got is by Skin Chemists of London, and this is a pure collagen 5% biphase serum. And let me put my glasses on here to see what this is because I don't remember. Oh, I think it's a collagen. Yeah, it's a collagen serum. And so let's open it up here. Yeah. So it's a pure collagen serum, and you can see it's kind of a pink liquid. And oh, I was thinking it leaked, but it didn't. Yay. Anyway, yeah, I am excited. Oh, it separates. Part of it is pink and part of it is clear. So I'll probably have to shake it up before you use it. But yeah, it's just a serum for the face. And so, yeah, looking forward to using that one. Okay, the next one. Oh, this is one I was really excited about getting. Oh, no. It's another one, but I am excited about this one too. See, the thing about FabFitFun and their boxes is that they're so different. Everything in it is so different. So, you might get something that is like a body product, and then you might get a scarf, and you might get a travel mug, and then you might get some kind of facial tool or whatever. This one is for the kitchen. And now I had choices, so I didn't have to get this, but I wanted to. This is a silicone baking set. It has 2 silicone spatulas. So, and then the inside here is also a silicone baking mat. Yeah, it's kind of got a cute little print of little flecks. They look like sprinkles on cupcakes. Okay, I'm going to save the one that I'm really excited about for last. Okay, this one is a mud mask. It's called Mud Masky, and it is a pearl polish super glow pink clay mask, and it says glowing, exfoliating, pore refining, renewing, and softening. And so I got it because I liked the idea that it was exfoliating, but I also liked the idea that it kind of brought out a glow, like a brightener sort of. And so let me open this up. I always say this, but I live in Flagstaff, Arizona at an elevation of 7,000 feet. And when we open things at that elevation, they often explode. So I'm actually going to tap it down because it will either just like burst out, like explode, or it'll just start coming out and coming out and coming out. So at least I can try to keep that from happening, but I'd like to smell it. Okay, good. It didn't explode on me. So, I'm not, okay. Well, I just squeezed it out on my nose. Yeah, there's really not much of a scent to it at all, which I guess is a good thing. So yeah, it appears to be unscented. So yeah, this will be a really nice addition to my skincare routine. Excited about that. Okay, I have a few more things. Oh, you know what? One thing that's in here was they do these sales, add-on sales, and so you can pick something, and it's a product that's offered for a discounted price. And what I had gotten was just really basic. It was just some nail clippers. So yeah, so that's in here. And then are there just 2 more? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay. So this one is an extra because there's one more in here because there's 6 total main products. This is Lumify, and this is like an eye drop to get rid of red. Let me just warn you about stuff like this. It is okay to use like red removing drops in your eyes occasionally, but if you use something, I'll have to investigate this, but if you use something every day that removes the red, your eye gets to where it depends on it and has to use it all the time. Use it. So it's by Lumify. It's called Lumify. It's by Bausch & Lomb. Says it works in 1 minute and lasts up to 8 hours. Okay, last thing. This one I'm really excited about. This is by Trophy Skin. It says, discover your best skin. This is Brighten MD, a multi-function eye, face, and neck tool. So let me get this open. So this little gadget here looks like this. And it's got a cord so you can plug it. I don't know if you have to have it plugged in to use it or if that's to charge it. It's kind of looking like you plug it in to use it. The idea of this thing is that you move it around in different places on your skin. It does have red light therapy. And when you do red light therapy all over your face, it takes forever with something this small, And so I actually have like a red light therapy mask and chest thing that I can just put on and 10 minutes later I'm done. But when you have to, you don't have to have this plugged in, and it works when you push it on your face. It's starting to work. How funny. And as soon as you pull away, it stops. So it's vibrating on my skin, and look at that. Do you see the light come on? So when it's got pressure on it, it comes on. And so there is the red light therapy, but that's not why I got it. I got it because let me get my glasses here. It's supposed to do something like tightening your skin because it kind of causes the muscles in your face to sort of flex a bit. So let's see what it says. It says, cleanse your face with a foaming wash and dry before each usage. Apply a thick cream or serum to the skin and do not rub it in. So this helps to rub in a serum or cream on your face. So yeah, I'm actually very excited to try this. Now, one time before in a FabFitFun box, I opted for it was just a red light therapy thing. And it was only about this big around. And so, you had to hold it in each area for 3 minutes. And so, I'd do like here and then here and here and then here and then here. And so it took forever. And so eventually I got tired of that and went and got, a full mask that I could use. So it will be interesting to see if this makes me crazy or if it's something I have patience to use, and I'll have to find out how often I'm supposed to use it too. So anyway, in this box, I got this packable, foldable hat. I got this cool little gadget tool. I got some collagen, a face brightening mask, a body polish. I paid extra for the nail clippers, and then I got the baking mat and the spatula. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, 6 items plus an extra. So I hope that you guys enjoyed what you got in your FabFitFun box. If you currently are not a subscriber, you can get a sample box and all you have to do is just send me an email to let me know at BusyBeingJen@gmail.com, and then I will get you the link for this. If you do a sample box, they send you a few products, maybe 3, and just surprise, and all you do is pay shipping, and so you can kind of get an idea of what it would be like to have a subscription. But in the description box below this video is the discount code, so if you decide you want to try it, go ahead and click on that link. So thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I hope I will see you again on Busy Being Jen. Bye-bye.